Hi, welcome to Excel in Life.
There was huge demand from our members to start a Word tutorial. Considering your requirement, from today onwards, I am starting a Microsoft Word tutorial. This will be from beginners to expert level. Today I will show various shortcuts of Microsoft Word. If you are a regular user, then also it will help you to work faster. So let's get started. First, we will open Microsoft Word. Type Word in search box. Word application will be visible. In my case, I am using Word 2016 version. Click to open. Here you will see a list of recently opened documents. This will help you to open any previous documents. If your document is not visible in the list, you can open clicking the last option. There are many sample templates provided. As per your requirement, you can download it and use. Suppose you want to prepare a resume, then you can download this sample and open it. Then just fill up the necessary data, image, and your resume is ready. Presently we don't need it, hence let us close this by pressing shortcut key Ctrl W. It will close the open window. To open a new blank document, press Ctrl N. Let us understand various components of Word application. You can get the file name in the title bar. By default, a file name will start from document 1 and the number will increase every instance of opening of a new document. If you close this, new file name will be document with a new number. You can change the file name by saving in a different name. This is ribbon display option. By clicking, you will get 3 drop-down menu. First one is auto hide menu. This will hide the ribbon and tab. To get ribbon, click on the application top. That's actually title bar, which is also hidden right now. By selecting show tabs, only ribbon tabs will be visible. And by selecting last option, ribbon tabs and comments will be visible. This icon is to minimize the window, then comes maximize window and close application button. In top left corner, this is save icon. This icon is to save the document. Next is undo and redo icon, which we will see later. There are various tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review and View. We will understand them one by one. If we click the File tab, you will get various vertical tabs. Info gives various information about the file. New, to open a new document which we have just watched. Shortcut of new document is Ctrl N. Open is to open an existing document. You can open file pressing shortcut key Ctrl plus O. Click Save to save any existing document. Shortcut to save is Ctrl plus S. Use Save As if you want to save the document with a different name or location or different file types. The shortcut key is F12. Let us save this file name as Word tutorial. Use Print to print your document. The shortcut of print is Ctrl P. With share option, you can directly send your document through Outlook or email. Through export option, you can convert your document to PDF. Also, you can change the file type, like previous version of Word, rich text format, Word templates, simple text files, etc. This is the print layout. At top is ruler. This is the body where actual text will be written. The left and the right side shaded part is margin. You can change the margin by shifting this part. These we will see in details during the layout tab. We can notice a vertical line is blinking. This is called cursor. This indicates the start of a text to be written. To understand the function of various buttons or icons in the Home tab, we have to write some paragraph. Here we will use one formula. In Excel, we use the random formula to generate random numbers. But in Word, we can generate random paragraphs using these functions. Now let us check all comments inside the font group. To change any property of font, you have to select the text. Let us know how to select. By using a mouse. By using the mouse, if you drag, then all text will be selected. Have you noticed that the shape of the mouse eye inside the document and outside is arrow? Do you know why it is? You can select entire line by clicking the mouse or select multiple lines by dragging. You can also select an entire paragraph by double clicking from left side. To select a word, double click on it. To select an entire paragraph, triple click on the same. To select all the text in a document, press Ctrl A. Presently, we will select the first paragraph to check all options. On selecting word, pops up a commonly used formatting button for our use. To change the font, click the drop down and select your desired font. You can access the font dialog by pressing shortcut key Ctrl D or Ctrl Shift plus F. Click the font size drop down to select the size of the font. To select font size using keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. You can increase or decrease by the font size by clicking these two buttons. The bigger A to increase, the smaller size A to decrease. Keyboard shortcut to increase the font size is Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow or Ctrl plus closing square bracket. Keyboard shortcut to decrease the font size is Ctrl plus Shift plus left arrow or Ctrl plus opening square bracket. Next, we will see the change case. The first option is sentence case. In this formatting, the first letter of a line shall be uppercase and the rest shall be in lowercase. You can observe that our existing paragraph is in sentence case. Hence, let us move to the next option, which is lowercase. It will make all letter in this paragraph lowercase, just like this. Uppercase will change the selected text to uppercase, which we can see. The shortcut to make uppercase is Ctrl Shift and A. Next comes to capitalize each word. In this case, the first letter of each word will be uppercase and the rest will be lowercase. This is called proper case. The last one is the toggle case. This is nothing but the opposite of proper case. Here, the first letter of each word is in lowercase and the rest are in uppercase. There is a shortcut Shift plus F3. This will cycle through uppercase, lowercase and sentence case. Now, next button is clear all formatting. On clicking this, the entire customized format will be removed and it will go back to the original format by default formatting. To make the text bold, click on this B icon. The shortcut to bold is Ctrl plus B. Click I to make the text italics. The shortcut of italics is Ctrl plus I. To underline, click U. Shortcut to underline is Ctrl U. If you want to make a double underline, then use Ctrl Shift plus D. So Ctrl U is for single underline and Ctrl Shift D for double underline. We can select the various type of underline format by clicking the drop down. If you are not satisfied with the listed style, Then select more underline. We will get more style of underline here. There is a special option available named words only. If it is selected, then only words will be underlined excess space. In addition, you can select the underline color by selecting the color palette. Strike through is cross the selected text by drawing a line through it. Generally, we use to show some line or text gets deleted. Subscript writes a very small letter just below the line of text. We can write any chemical formula using the subscript. Write H2O as usual and then select 2 and click subscript. It will show the H2O as it should be. The shortcut to subscript is Ctrl plus is equal to sign. Superscript writes a very small letter just above the line of text. We can write any math formula using superscript. To write x square y, we will write x2y, then select 2 and click superscript. So it will show as x square y. The shortcut of superscript is Ctrl Shift plus is equal to. So for easy remembering, subscript Ctrl plus equal to and superscript Ctrl plus Shift plus equal to. Drop down of text effects give various predefined text effects you can apply. You can also add various text effects like outline, shadow, reflection, glow, etc. Selected text can be highlighted by clicking the text highlight color. You can also select a color from the drop-down palette. You can change the color of the text by clicking the font color. You can select color from the theme color, standard color, or more color for additional palette. There is also an option of gradient color. You can select the presets or customize further. Here you will get lot of options to customize text fill, text outline, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edge, 3D format. You should experiment on various options to know them better. All the above formatting can be done from the font dialog box, which you can access by clicking this arrow or by shortcut Ctrl plus D or Ctrl plus Shift plus F. From here you can select various fonts, select font style, regular, italic, bold and bold italic. Select font size from 8 points to 72 points. Change the font color, make underline, change underline color, apply single strike through or double strike through, make subscript or superscript. There is one special effect available here that is not available in the font group. This is small caps. This will convert your lowercase text to uppercase, keeping the same height of the lowercase text and no change in uppercase text. All caps is the same as the converting uppercase. By checking hidden, you can hide any part of the document. It will not be visible and also will not be printed. If you click set as default, then whatever font, size, text effect is selected, it will become the default format. Next time when you open a new document, this format will be applied. This data got saved in Word normal template. Finally, text effects. It will open the format text effects dialog. And this is the same as previous which we have seen. let us understand undo and redo. To undo any action, click this icon or press shortcut Ctrl+Z. It will go back to one action for every click or every press of Ctrl+Z. You can also undo a series of actions by selecting from this drop-down list. Redo. Redo is the opposite of undo. If you undo some action, then clicking redo, you can bring back the same. So friends, today I have completed all the commands in font group. If you have any doubt, please write to me. In our next episode, we will see all the options of paragraph. Till then, goodbye.